What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AABB for Asia Broadband. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be the first time we've talked about the stock on the channel, so we're going to start with a daily roadmap, just coming in and pointing out the most obvious areas of support and resistance. Why is this not clicking? Come on, Thinkorswim. There we go. Thank you very much. 1304. And then we'll talk more nuance, right? As we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame, this is also sort of the midpoint of the range. You can see some inflection points right around in here at 2085. So that's going to kind of do it. As of right now, big bouts of volatility in here. I believe it's due to the announcement of a crypto exchange. Yeah, you can see here on the 28th, proprietary crypto exchange is sort of in the headlines here. Not a whole lot of information other than that, the fact that it was launched. So to me, it looks like a buy the rumor, sell the news type of ordeal. So the question will be, do we hold up above 1304? Do we break down underneath? And do we just return back into sideways abyss type trading around 10 cents? That is the question. That is what we need answers to. From the daily perspective, we know that we're trading in a range, right? Whenever we're dealing with trading ranges, we have some rules to put into place. We know that our edge literally exists at the edge of the range for either mean reversion or a breakdown. And the same is true but opposite when you're at the top, either breakout or mean reversion back down towards the midpoint. And as of right now, there are some decent, not fantastic, but decent lower wicks forming on the daily bars here. The one concern is obviously the huge outflow of volume on the selling pressure, right? So let's take a closer look through the lens of the 30-minute. Huge, again, this is just very, very ugly here. Big sell side activity on the Tuesday opening print. I believe it's Tuesday open. Yeah, Tuesday's open, just selling off really, really aggressively. Even the end of day on the Monday session, just not great in terms of the look of the chart right now. It would strike me as bearish. This overall would strike me as a bearish pennant, correct? Any breakdowns take us truly to that 1304 where you would reevaluate. Okay, now that we're actually at the number, does it look like we could bounce, or does it look like we get some sort of breakdown here inside of the stock? Again, the 30-minute bear pennant would suggest that a breakdown could occur. Let's take out our Fibonacci's just to get a measurement from the top. If we could get a click, there we go, down to the lows, and where's your 38.2? Right here. And obviously, as we just sort of drew in there, our bearish pennant consolidation is well underneath the 38.2, which strikes me as being a fairly bearish thing. The other, thing that's bearish about this is if we clean up the fibs, it's also underneath the midpoint of the range and also this prior area of interaction. So support from in here, resistance from these couple of touches there at the 2085. So to me, chart doesn't look great. To me, I would watch out for lower and be very skeptical about potentially buying 1304. I would actually watch for potentially a breakdown and again, abyss trading closer to about 10 cents. So I really think that this one is done unless there's some sort of catalyst out there that really sparks some more interest. I'm not seeing a reason for this to potentially wake up. The good news, quote unquote, is now in the past, and it was just a buy the rumor, sell the news type of ordeal as we discussed in length here. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.